Hello, my name is Amir Ranjit. Welcome to MRSM FELDA, where all innovation begins.
Hi, my name is Aina. MRSM FELDA was established in 2008 and we are located in Sungai Perak.
Hi, I'm Yusuf. MRSM FELDA is home to more than 700 students from across Malaysia.
My name is Izaham. Here we encourage to think, create and solve real-world problems.
Hello guys, so I am Teacher Peralatan as their team mentor. So I hope they can win for this competition, and I believe they can reach their district-wide next simple finals with their creativities and their effort. So all the best and good luck.
In Malaysia, over 5 million students spend an average of 6 to 8 hours at school every day. But many classrooms, especially in rural or underfunded areas, still lack reliable lighting, making it harder for students to focus, especially during gloomy weather or early morning sessions. Even a small drop in study productivity due to poor lighting can impact academic performance across thousands of schools nationwide. As our country moves towards a greener future, schools must explore renewable solutions that are cost-effective, sustainable, and student-friendly. But current methods of providing energy, like installing solar panels, can be expensive and hard to maintain in rural areas. Now, what if there's a study desk that lights up on its own whenever students write or move without using batteries or plugging it in? What if this desk is made from old speakers, lighters, and plastic bottles, turning trash into clean energy for education?
Our product is built using simple, affordable, and durable materials. All parts were bought from Mr. DIY and local shops, which are easy to find and budget-friendly.
How does it work? The surface of the desk contains piezoelectric sheets made from recycled components. When a student writes or applies pressure while studying, the sheet detects mechanical force and converts it into electrical energy. This energy is then used to power a small LED light attached to the desk. The more the student writes or presses, the more energy is generated, providing free and renewable lighting during study sessions.
Our product supports SDG 7. Affordable and clean energy enables access to renewable, clean energy through pressure-based electricity generation. Uses recycled piezoelectric and magnetic components to power LED lighting for students. It ensures energy access in underserved schools without increasing carbon emission. Our impact directly contributes to SDG Target 7.1. Ensures universal access to affordable, reliable, and modern energy services. With Ecopress, we are here to provide you with new and efficient ways to solve education-related energy problems, which are cutting-edge renewable learning tech by converting everyday hand movement into electricity, and building with recycled material to support green schools and promote sustainable energy education.